guys, and today I hope everybody is doing well. Today I am bringing you a Eyelook. I just purchased this and it came, and yeah, this is the So Jaded from Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. I really love Kathleen Lights. Me encanta esa cubanita, muy linda. Mwah, love you, girl. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create eye look with this palette. I like how this box have this little cut right here for those gals that have nails. It makes it way easier for us to grab and pull. So yeah, this is a beautiful palette. The names are in the back. It does not have a mirror, but I don't use the mirrors anyway from the palette, so it does not bother me. And it says right there, it says Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. It goes all the way back. The names are here. Also, they're in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an eye look with this. I don't know if to play with the sapphire, because maybe with opal and sapphire and do a blue glittery yummy eye. September is my month date, so yeah, I love sapphire. That's why I love blues. Yeah, so let's see what I'm gonna create with this. You guys already know what to do. Grab a snack, your favorite drink, relax, sit back, and enjoy the video. Mwah. As you know, my face is already set. Everything that I apply is gonna be listed below in my description box. Always look there, guys. I've seen some of the reviews for this palette, and some of them are positive, some of them are negative. So I am here to tell you the truth. You guys know I keep it 100% truthful with you guys. So yeah, let's see. The swatches are going to be around here. Start building up the crease with this shade right here, You're a Gem. Now I'm going to go into the crease and start darkening it up a little bit with the shade Carnelian right here. I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I want to go in with the shade right here, which is called Opal. And it's a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm going to go ahead and put it all over my lid. I'm going to go in with this beautiful shade right here called Sapphire, and I am going to apply that in my outer corner. I'm gonna go ahead off camera really quick, do my blush, do my contour, do my eyeliner, and I'll be right back to finish the eyes. Okay, I finished with the makeup, and I put pearl under my eyebrow bone and in the inner corners. Yeah, I also went with the BFF mascara in blue. I'll leave the name, everything is going to be listed below. Okay guys, what do I think about this palette? Pigmentation, beautiful. That's why I love Colourpop, because always their pigmentations is very, very well. Their formula, silky, smooth, very comfortable in the eyes, very buttery, beautiful pigmentation. It's one, I think, of the best. However, this palette has a lot of kickback. Doesn't bother me. If it bothers you, this palette is not for you. I bypass certain things because the pigmentation is there, the blendability is beautiful. You just apply, boom. Because of the pigmentation and blendability, I give it an A+. If it was something higher, I would give it a higher number. And most palettes nowadays do have kickback, and that's something that we have to learn to bypass. The scent, it hardly has a scent. I could smell it really faintly, but it's a good scent. I don't know, it just smells like Pond's cream or something. I don't know, it's just it's very faintly. You have to have like a good nose and to catch on. But I freaking love this palette. Go ahead, Kathleen, do your stuff, mamita. Hazlo, sigue para adelante. Muy orgullosa de ti. Sigue. I love this. Really, really love it. There are some glitter and some shimmers. The glitter ones is this one, Topaz and Opal. Those I suggest to apply a little bit of glitter glue. That'll be best. However, I did not use glitter glue with mine. I just applied it with, I cut the crease with concealer and I just tapped it in and applied. You guys saw that, and it's holding on nothing on my fingers very well. So other than that, I really, really love this palette. More looks to come with it. And yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment below, and share the video, guys. Yeah, and on to my next video. Love you guys so. A lot of hugs, a lot of kisses going your way. And remember, if you're going through something, head up, it will pass, I assure you of that. And if you're going through something and you cannot handle it on your own, please look for professional help. I love you guys so much. Until my next video. It's best if you apply both of those colors with, it's best if you apply both of the, okay guys, I went off cam, I went off cam, right, no, why I get so messed up with this over and over and over and over and over again.